Hindi lamang guest of honor at keynote speaker ang ating hepe, PAO Chief Persida Acosta sa 19th Annual National Conference ng Philippine Association of Local Government and Accountants of PALGA Inc. sa Baguio City.
Kundi, ginawaran din siya ng isang pagkilala. Kung ano po ito, let's all watch this. Buhay mo ay alay sa bayan. Ikaw ang pag-asa sa buhay.
Mailap man ang katarungan, ikaw ang...
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief Public Attorney, Public Attorney's Office, the Honorable Attorney Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD.
Persida ang kasaysayan mo. Persida
Hindi malilimutan.
The 19th Annual Conference of the Philippine Association of Local Government and Accountants, or PHALGA Incorporated, left a memorable mark in the history of the Public Attorney's Office as they awarded the longest-serving Chief Public Attorney of the Philippines, Dr. Persida Rueda Acosta, DSD, as an honorary member. Needless to say that she is no longer considered as an outsider guest of honor and speaker, but rather a recognized and important member of the said organization. The 4-day event activities took their course at Cap Janhay Trade and Cultural Center in Baguio City.
One of the public service greatest joys and most humbling experience is the recognition which comes from organizations close to one's heart. With the years past testifying to the depth of our friendship and shared values. For in these shared experiences, we find common thread, sinulit, bringing us and our greatest hopes together for a progressive, empowered, and resilient nation. One of these organizations, of course, is PHALGA. Palakpakan po natin ang PHALGA! Mabuhay ang PHALGA! However, what they are conferring to me today, the first honorary membership to a national government officials for more than 23 years, is something which I did not expect.
PAO Chief Persida Acosta expressed her gratitude towards the members and officers of PHALGA Incorporated.
Kay Attorney Smith Valdez at sa lahat ng kanyang kasamahan sa PHALGA, opisyales at members, maraming salamat po sa karangalang ito. Ang inyong pong lingkod ay hindi lamang ngayon kaisa ninyo sa diwang isinusulong ng PHALGA, kundi ako po ngayon ay isa na rin sa inyo, PHALGA Persida Acosta.
This well-established kinship and camaraderie between PAO and PHALGA have stood the test of time and have carried over the years shared values and common goal, which is quality public service for the greater good of the Filipino people, and this momentous event have solidified this partnership.
It takes a village to raise a child, to uphold a cause, and to raise a nation. Thank you for making me part of yours. Together, let us continue to raise the hands of the people and the nation we serve. Let us continue working together para sa inang bayan. Muli, maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Persida ang kasaysayan mo. Persida
Hindi malilimutan.
pagmamalasakit mo.
Pagmamalasakit.
Tunay, hindi mo kami
iniiwan. Persida laban na tunay. Persida ng bayan. Persida bigay ng may kapal upang ang bayan ay may kapal.
For hashtag Pala News, Geraldine Ranyes, one with Pauchi Persida Acosta, Justice Against Poverty.